Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video is I'm going to unboxing a parcel. Pero bago po yan, mag-intro muna tayo. Guys, yung parcel na ating i-unboxing na galing pa ng Timo. So, ayan guys. So, i-open na natin kung anong laman nito guys. I'm so excited what's inside the box. This one guys is ayan, it's a plastic, a Tupperware siya guys, na pwede siyang lagyan ng mga food, pwede siyang lagyan ng vegetable na pwede ilagay sa rep. So ayan guys. Tingnan ko kung anong laman ito. Buksan ko na rin. Ganyan mag-open ng ano. So, ito guys. Wow, ang ganda niya. Pwede siyang ano, yan, o pwedeng ano ng mga gulay o prutas. Ang cute niya guys. It's very beautiful guys. So beautiful. So ayan. Pwede lagyan ng fruits dito. Ano pwede mo ilagay? 3 pieces and then pinakamaliit. Wow. This is, I like this item guys. I like this item. And the second one guys is, the second inside is ito. Oh. Sunglasses. Because summer na guys. So, kailangan lang ng sunglasses. Ayan. Sunglasses. Nakabox pa talaga siya. Oh, sunglasses guys. Para pag lumabas, so sobrang init sa labas. Oh, piling sunglasses. Pag pumunta ng beach guys. So, ayan. Oh, diba? I like sunglasses. Hala, bagay sa akin. So, ayan guys. The second item. Ang ganda niya. Bagay siya sa akin. Nakabox. Nakabox talaga siya guys. So. This is the second item guys. The second item. Perfect pang ano guys, pag mag-swimming, pag summer, pagpunta ng beach, o kaya pag perfect pang summer. Ayan. And ano po ito? The third is, ano kaya ito? Ito guys, oh. Ano siya? Water. I don't know the English. The English, guys. It's a water dispenser. Yeah, it's water dispenser. Ayan, binuog ko siya ganyan. Ito yung pangatlong item. Wow, that's nice. Ayan. Pwede siya ilagay sa refrigerator, guys. Ano lang ng juice. If you want to make juice, so put here inside and put in refrigerator, guys. So, ayan. It's so nice. I like this item. And the last one, guys, is oh my god, I like this. It's a karaoke, small mini karaoke Bluetooth speaker. Ayan, guys. So, because I like to sing, guys. I like to sing. So this is perfect because it is small. You can carry where you go. Charot. Ayan. At ganito na yun. Parang yupi-yupi. Yupi-yupi na siya. Pero isa lang yung kanyang microphone. Ayan. I hope it's work, guys. I hope gumagana siya. Ayan. Ayan. So cute. Meron akong pang mini karaoke. Mini karaoke, guys. Sana gumagana siya. Sana. I hope it's working, guys. I hope it's working. Mayroon siyang Ayan, may charger, adapter. So, ayan lang, guys. So, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to give me like and comment and subscribe. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. God bless you all. Bye!